Hi everybody, Devin from MojoDesk here, and today we are going to compare the MojoDesk Organic Curve 60-inch to the Varidesk Electric, which is the 2020 version. The older one had a crossbar in it, so this is the brand new as of October 2020 that we ordered this. So let's take a look at the MojoDesk first. All MojoDesk, no matter what size or shape, have an ergonomic edge in the front. Comes standard, no upcharge. The Curve, it's called that because every side of this is curved. There's no straight edges. So it's got curve on the side, curve in the back. And the other thing to mention is we have two grommets. And they're placed here so you can have multiple monitors and not be stretching the cords from the center. So the version we're showing here is our Matte Lux Black, and it's a soft touch surface, perfect for mouse tracking. No mouse pad is needed. And it also comes in Matte Lux White and Charcoal. We also have our desktops available in wood grains and other colors. All right, so let's take a look at the Varidesk. So this wood grain top is called Butcher Block. And as you can see, the difference is, versus the MojoDesk, there are no grommets. It has kind of this cut in the back. And the idea of that is that you can wrap the wires a little bit behind here and then go into some kind of, again, cable management tray that's not included with it. I should mention their older version came automatically with a wired management tray. It does not come with that anymore. Also, take a look at the front. There's no ergonomic edge. It's just squared off right there. So that's really important for your wrists and typing. So that is the main difference as well. So one of the most important things you want with a standing desk is stability. You don't want it to bounce when you're typing. You don't want it to shake or wobble. And that comes down to the frame, quality of the frame, thickness, weight, a lot of different factors. So we're going to compare MojoDesk frame to Vari's. So MojoDesk frame is a 3-stage frame, and it is 2 3/4 thick. Vari's is also 2 3/4 inches thick. I did want to highlight here for the machining, they do have holes in the lifting column, and part of that has to do with less expensive to manufacture, but does have a little bit of aesthetics or cosmetically not as pleasing. So the feet on MojoDesk are 3.5 inches thick, and this helps with the shake from side to side. Varidesk feet, on the other hand, are 3 inches thick. All right, so let's see some of that stability in action. So first we'll start with the MojoDesk on this side. And the idea here is you just want to see, both of these are at level 45, so equal heights right now. And it's important when you get higher. So this, you really have to, I'm doing the same pressure I'm about to do on the Varidesk. As you can see, it does a little shake, but you really have to push it to get it shaken. And I come over on this side. So Varidesk, same thing, just gonna put a little bit of pressure on here. And you know, the stability on this is really not that bad, admittedly. So since we only had the black version here to put right next to the wood grain, I did want to show you some of our wood grains that we offer. So this one is Obsidian Oak, and both the Vari and ours are Green Guard certified laminate. But this is one of the wood grains we offer, as well as this one is a brand new one called Weathered Gray. So one thing to mention too is this is a very smooth top. We have different wood grains that have different textures, but if you like the texture of a wood feel, then this is going to be a good choice for you. All right, but before we go, I just wanted to mention that this is the 48-inch Vari versus our 60 here. But as far as the specs and frame, everything we went through, completely comparable what we did today. We do have a 48-inch that starts at $499 free shipping. Theirs is $550 and free shipping. And also, to see the whole assembly process of the Vari versus Mojo, you can go to mojodesk.com, go to our compare us section. One last thing to mention though, is the Vari is not Lumberjack approved. There's even a sticker on here. It only lifts 220 pounds. MojoDesk, over 250 pounds or one Lumberjack.